Here we have a very interesting question based on circles. We are given 3 circles, one big circle and 2 small circles. We do not know the radii of any one of these circles, but what is given? The measure of the sides of a triangle formed with these 3 centers as its vertices is given. The measurement of these 3 line segments is given. What you need to find is the diameter of this big circle. Instead, what will we find is just its radius and then just double it, right? So what we need to find is the radius of this big circle. Now tell me, what is radius actually? It is the length of a line segment which joins the center and any point on the circle. Do we have such a point? We don't. So let us construct one. Say PQ dash. So therefore PQ dash is one radius. Let us join this also, R dash. So there PQ dash is one radius, PR dash is one radius. Now the radii of a circle are equal. Now we know that PQ dash and PR dash are both radii of the bigger circle. But then what is its measure? This much would be 10. And what about this small part here? It is the radius, right? It is the radius of this small circle here. So this whole thing is 10 plus R1. What about this side here? This much we know to be 8. But what is this small part here? It is the radii of this second circle. So this is 10 plus R1. And this other one is what? It is So that means 10 plus R1 and 8 plus R2 are both same, which means what? Take all the constants to one side and the variables to another. We have R2 minus R1 is what? It is 2. So what about your RQ here? Suppose these two circles meet at a point, say O. So RQ is actually this radius plus this radius that you see here. That means what? QR is QO plus OR, which means this radius R1 plus this radius R2. But then what is RQ given as? It is 12. So what are you looking for? You are looking for two numbers which when added give 12, which when subtracted give you 2. So when you add these two equations, what happens? There is minus R1 here and plus R1 here, that gets cancelled. So you get R2 is 7. If R2 is 7, then R1 is 5. These are the radii of the two smaller circles. But that is not what we need. We need the diameter of the biggest circle. What is its radius? Its radius is anything, PQ dash or PR dash, any one of them. Put R1 here or R2 here, you will get your answer. R1 is what? R1 is 5, so that means R is equal to 15. The radii here is 15. Double it, you will get the diameter, which is 30. That is the answer you are looking for. Assalamu alaikum.